In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable auto messages in Fiverr. Auto messages greet buyers instantly, even when you're away. They help set expectations and ensure every new chat receives a quick response. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can control when this feature is on or off. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr, then open the official Fiverr website from the results. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your inbox and message settings. Once you're on Fiverr, look at the top of the page for the messages icon, often shown as an envelope. Click it to open your messages. From the drop-down that appears, choose See All in Inbox. This takes you to the full inbox page, which is where you'll be able to manage your conversations and reach the auto message controls. Next, open any message thread. The auto message settings are accessed from inside a conversation, so opening a chat is the quickest path to the tools you need. At the top of the conversation, find the thunder or lightning bolt icon. This icon leads to message tools and automations. Click it, and then select Set Auto Reply to open the settings panel. You'll now see the auto reply window. Here, you control the message text that gets sent automatically and whether the feature is turned on. Keep your auto message clear and friendly. A simple structure works well. Thank the buyer for reaching out, share your typical response time, and invite them to include helpful details about their project. Aim for 1 or 2 short sentences so it reads quickly on mobile and desktop. To enable or disable the feature, use the auto reply toggle switch. Turn it on when you want your message sent automatically to new incoming chats, or turn it off if you prefer to reply manually. You can return to this same panel anytime to flip the switch, depending on your availability or workload. When you're satisfied with the message and the setting, click Save. Your changes are now stored, and future conversations will follow the preference you selected. And that's it. You opened Fiverr, went to your inbox, entered a conversation, used the thunder icon to reach the auto reply settings, wrote a concise message, toggled the feature on or off, and saved. Review your auto message periodically to keep it fresh, and make sure it reflects your current response time and tone. A clear, polite message helps create a professional first impression and keeps your communication consistent, even when you're busy.